Hey guys, if you're experiencing an issue with your computer where it's running at 100% disk usage, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you some quick and easy solutions. For the best results, I'd recommend going through each of these methods one by one and making sure you don't skip any of the steps. Now, first thing we need to do is come to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key and searching for Settings. Then tap on the Settings icon and scrolling all the way down on the left here to Windows Update, then selecting Check for Updates, and just ensure that you're running the latest version of Windows, as outdated software can cause disk usage problems. Once you finish inside of Updates, then scroll up and come into System, come inside of the Notifications tab, then scroll all the way down to the bottom here, underneath Additional Settings, and where it says Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows, we're going to unselect that, as apparently some users have reported this causing disk usage problems. We can then close out of this window, and next thing you're going to do is come to the Start menu and search for Run. Tap on the Run icon, and inside of here you need to type in powercfg.cpl and hit Enter. Then just make sure you're using the high performance power plan like selected here, and close out of this window. Then next thing you can do is come back to the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Tap on the Disk Cleanup tab, then just select Cleanup System Files. This is going to calculate how much disk space this can actually save you. As you can see here, I can gain 4.3 gigabytes of space, and just select OK. It's going to ask if you want to delete these files permanently, and you can just select Delete Files. We can then come back over to our Start menu and search for Run. Tap on the Run tab and search for Temp. And you need to delete all of the files inside of this folder by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard to select everything, then just right-clicking and selecting the trash icon to delete everything inside of here. If you get this message pop up, just select Do This for all current items and select Try Again. It might not let you delete everything inside of here with it, which is absolutely fine. As long as we delete the majority of folders, then we can come out of here. And next thing you're going to do is come back to your Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. And inside of here you need to type in chkdsk space c:/f//r and hit Enter. This is going to check your disk for any issues. Now, as you see here, you're going to get this error message saying the service can't currently be run, and that's because you're currently using the disk. So all you need to do is type in Y here and select Enter. And that way the service is going to run the next time you restart your computer. Then the last thing you need to type in this command prompt window is sfc space/scan now and hit Enter. And what this is going to do is it's going to scan all of your system files to ensure nothing's broken or missing. Just wait for this verification to get to 100% and then close out of this window. Then the very last thing we're going to do is come back over to the Start menu and search for Run. Tap on the Run icon and search for services.msc and hit Enter. Then inside of here we're looking for a service called sysmain. Once you found the service called sysmain, then double click on it, and if you have the service status is running, make sure you press this stop button to stop it, and then make sure the startup type is set to disabled, and we can press apply and OK to save those changes. And that's it. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any disk usage errors you were getting. And that's it. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any disk usage errors you're getting. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.